Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in magnetic with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a sport package with the center console and the sport cloth seats. This also means that the grille, bumpers, handles are also body colored. And it also has navigation. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake located here, power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And we're just going to get in there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little bit of a cubby up here, as well as traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and you're seeing your display screen. This is a touch screen, so you've got your navigation. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you'll also see your backup camera view here. You have your audio sources here. Let's just turn down the volume. So your sources are AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. And then you can go into your settings and slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay. So you can plug in your Apple phone with your Apple cord, and as well, you can do this with Android, and then you will see the screen look just like your phone screen. Below that is your volume and tuner. There is your CD player. And you have your climate control with heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the cubby, you've got a couple of USB outlets. You can just push it in the center here, and it'll close right up for you when you're not using it. And then you have your automatic select shifter. You have drive mode just down here. When I press that, it'll appear on your dash. You have normal, tow haul, Snowette, Eco, Sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders there, and your armrest opens up, and inside there's a bin. You can take this out. There's a 12 volt down there, as well as lots of storage. Off to the side, you have a 12 volt and 110 outlet, as well as a locking glove compartment. And up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this slides your power back window. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The back handle to the tailgate is the body color, as well. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup cameras just below that handle. You have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's got a nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And then when you're ready to take off on your latest adventure, just close everything up, and you can then use your remote start if the vehicle's locked, and it will start it up for you. You then put the key in the ignition, and away you go. Or if you're ready to head out to other locations without your vehicle, and just lock everything up with the fob and walk away. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip, and it's in the regular seating position. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and I'm just going to show you here this nice motif that's on the seat, and that's the sport seat. It looks like a tire tread. On the floor, you have all-weather mats that go from one end to the other, as well as extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, 12 volt, 110 USB outlets, as well as a couple of cup holders up top and air vents. There's grab handles in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a sliding power window. Colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.